Well, it's March, and today the mailman brought me a cute little present, Birchbox. So this is my third Birchbox, and I still am liking them. Even though they are sample items, so for those of you that don't know, Birchbox sends you sample items of products that are, definitely name brand products, but they're sample sizes, and you get to, test them out, review them, and see if you like them, and then you can purchase the full size item through their website, of course, and at the full, price cost. But once you place that order, you can actually have it sent in your next shipment that they're going to send you the next month. So that's kind of cute. I haven't purchased a full-size item yet. I've really been just trying out the samples. But there are a few items that I definitely am liking and would want to add to my kind of collection of beauty items. And that's the great thing I think about Birchbox is that one, you get a cute little box. I mean, these are cute and they're sturdy. They're sturdy cardboard boxes. You can put like cards, holiday cards in them, jewelry, little items that you don't want lost. I mean, they're cute, to have sitting on a counter versus, something tackier. But so you get the cute box. You also get to sample these items that you normally might not sample. I can't find these items at my local Target. So this is how I get to sample these items, and I didn't even realize we're out there. I don't do a lot of searching myself for beauty products online. So like I said, this is a way for me to try those out. Okay, let's see. The first item I got is called OA, I believe. I'm horrible at pronouncing these names, but it's a leave-in conditioner. And this is cool because I am trying to treat my hair a little bit better. I do blow dry it every week. I straighten my hair at least once a week, if not two times, because I kind of get sick of the curly look and then I like it straight for a few days. So any type of product that will make my hair not feel as kind of rough from the blow drying helps. So I'm going to try this leave-in conditioner out. And then the next item I got is, whoa, interesting. Definitely has me interested, intrigued. Juliet has a gun. This is not a perfume. Okay, now I'm really curious, but it sure looks like a perfume. It has the ounces in it. So let's see. Not a perfume. It's a perfume. It continues to say it's not a perfume, and now it will not resemble to anything you've ever tested before. Made out of a single ingredient, Cletalox. Sorry with the pronunciation there. It has no top or heart notes, so while testing it, chances are you will experience a certain weakness at first glance, but don't rush too fast into the conclusions. It's one of our top sellers, and there's a good reason for that. The fragrance simply stands out. Well, I'm definitely intrigued. Good job marketing. I mean, good job marketing because not a perfume. Well, then it makes you want to read it, and then you keep reading, and you're like, okay. It stands out. All right, this one is Model Co. What is this? Luxe Cream Longwear Lipstick. Oh, I like this color. I'm not good at putting on lipstick. And I don't have a mirror, so I can't tell because I don't have a mirror. I just have the camera, so I apologize. Excuses it. It looks all right. I'll have to look in the mirror so I can tell closer. So it stands out. Obviously now it looks like I have lipstick on, and I don't normally wear a lot of lipstick. I usually wear just kind of a gloss, a light gloss. So I don't know. We'll see. Is this Marchell New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. For all skin types. Apply in the morning and at night, alone or under makeup, onto a well cleansed face and neck. I don't know. I'll try it. I think this was what they said was the exclusive. Yeah, that was the exclusive. It's a New Age 8-in-1 Power Serum. See results from this lightweight gel in just 1 week. It fills in fine lines, lifts and firms, all while boosting radiance and improving the skin's texture. Okay, well, I will try it out. Interesting. All right, and then lastly, The last item, oh cool, I just started buying Smashbox for under eye concealer, and then what else did I buy? Oh, there was another product. Oh, the primer. And I'm liking it, so I've never tried it before. So this is a Smashbox Insta Matte Lipstick Transformer. Oh, interesting. Apply generously over cream lipstick using finger until a matte look is achieved. Interesting. Okay. A quick review. Let's see here. So we've got Juliet has a gun, not Janie, Juliet. I'm still reeling from this. Oh my gosh. Full size price, $100 to $132. This allergen free. Ooh. I actually might not break out from it. Minimalist scent. It was definitely minimal. Has a single note. Elegant, spicy Cetalox. I'm saying that wrong. Cetalox. I'm going to look that up and Google it right after I get done. I'm curious, but allergen free. Liking it. And it does smell good. I'm not lying. It's like, it's subtle and soft, but just kind of leaves a nice little smell. That's cool. I'm excited about that. But $100. I'm going to make that sample last. All right. Then we've got the Marcel. This Power Serum is $37 full price. And then we've got the Modelco, the lipstick that I'm wearing. This is $18. And then we've got the leave-in conditioner. Oh, there we go. Oh, I hope. $26. And then lastly, the Smashbox lipstick transformers, $24. So cute little samples. I'm really intrigued about that perfume. The name is just hilarious. Juliet has a gun. Okay, sorry. I digress. Thank you guys for watching my Birchbox unboxing. I had a fun time opening this one. It was pretty fun. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you get notified the next time I have another subscription box on opening or any of the other videos I do on my channel. But thank you for taking the time to watch.